Hey, it's Don from the oh geez, the nearly historical railroad channel. Oh no.
This is how we start the fire. 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 This is how we start the fire.
Done with this.
This is how we start the fire. This is how we start the fire. This is how we start the fire. This is how we start the fire.
Well, needless to say, which is why I feel obligated to say it, stay-at-home order thingy I think is kind of null and void now. So, I'm going to take you out to the train room. And we are going to pick up, I think, where we left off at some point. I'm going to be working on Kenosha Pass. So, that's where we're headed right now. Thanks. Hello. So, this up here is Kenosha Pass, and I have one turnout left to put in right here, which you can't really see from there, and that will complete this whole Y intersection area for Kenosha Pass. So, pretty excited about this. Been planning on this for a few years now. I finally got this turnout built. Had to be a little bit of a custom thing. All right. So a long time ago, we made this little access hole so that we can get to stuff up here and over here. Gonna use it today for sure. Hope this works out.
Just wait and see what we're cooking up. Just wait.
So this is the tracing that we made of the track up at Kenosha Pass so we could figure out exactly how this turnout needed to be made because it needs to be a custom turnout. That is a turnout. Finally complete after, I don't know, a few years. So finally got that going. This will finish that Y up there. And here is where it's going to go. I can't reach it. Goes up there. Okay, put a step stool in the access hole. My back might not feel great after this, but I think we can do it. It's a little tricky. This is a little bit of an elevated curve. Super elevated curve, that is. Look at that. That curve fits perfect. This little curve here fits perfect. This is good. Kind of straight into that. I didn't know how long these rails had to be. I didn't need to make it that long. But at least it's not too short. Wow, this is cool. All right, I'm going to mark the center of the frog. Right there. Put an F for frog on there. I'm gonna also mark where the drawbar is. Wow. Mark this tie. Mark that tie. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, this is scary. This is where we start cutting into the main line. Not like we haven't done it before. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go underneath and check first and see what's under here. Oh no. As far as putting a tortoise in. This could be bad. You can feel it. Board exactly right there. Who put that there? Oh, this is horrible. Tortoise needs to go pretty much right there where this brace is, so we just need to move this brace over. I think we can do that. This leg is in the way too, so we gotta move that over. Do that. Okay, so move this leg from here over to there. Put a smaller piece here. It was up here. Put it over there. Smaller piece of wood. And now we should be able to get our tortoise in up there. Okay. Hey, there's nothing there now. A little bit of wood there, but that could actually move if needed. Cut this. There you go. First rail cut. Second rail cut. There. Alright. Some pliers. Oh, I have pliers right here. I'm gonna try and pull this rail out. That was in there pretty good. Oh, because it was soldered on right there. Not reusing that guy. So what you don't know, this bridge was not originally here. I have to show you from a different angle, but once we got the standard gauge layout, which is behind us, this whole section this way of this layout, we needed to push that way a little farther. So dropping this bridge in gave us an extra 8 inches for the walkway. So that worked out good. I'll have to fill that in someday. I guess we need to cut out where these ties are going. And then we'll deal with the super elevation part.
Tear it up, tear it up. The new James Bond, we shake it up. So woke, my DMs blowing up. So straight. Woo. Getting up, not giving up. Till we lit like the sun when it coming up. Don't wait in line if we're showing up. So straight. Woo.
This is gonna help kind of level this out with some of the super elevation. Might have to pull this rail back farther and start it back there, but I think this will work. Hey, we got some mail. So we'll see what's in here. So this is screws. In one of my videos, I mentioned that I needed screws. These are all number 2s or 2-56. Those are definitely some of the ones I needed. So these are like bunches of screws. So this is very good. We will be able to maybe start getting trucks and stuff installed on old cars. So John that sent us these screws, he actually used to work on this train layout back when it was in California before we acquired it and moved it. So thank you very much, John. All right, so I got this board and that board tied together good underneath, and I moved one of those braces and I actually put it in a bad spot. I had to raise it back up to hit this because this and this were 2 separate pieces. So I had to make sure those were nice and level, got that fixed. Then I filed this all down, and with this little rasp file majig. So that should be pretty good. I think the super elevation hopefully will work. That's the wild card. But you can see right here I filed the ties all the way. These are pretty much gone also. I marked where the copper ties are at. This has more copper ties than normal, but whatever. So I have them marked where the copper ties are. So next I'm going to lay some wood ties in here. Then we'll let that dry, sand it a little bit, and I guess put the turnout down. So, all right, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I have the ties down for both turnouts and they're just drying. I want those to dry really good because I need to come back and kind of sand it, file it down a little bit, make it really smooth, the top. So that is really good. And I think I even have room for tortoises under both those. So this is progress. So that's Kenosha Pass over there. Where am I pointing? That is Kenosha Pass over there where I was just working on those turnouts. And let's check this out over here. Cimarron. Like I said, my dad, last time you guys saw, was getting some dirt down. He's got that all covered up now, and well, it's looking good. Come and eat, children. Come on.
Come on, we're gonna eat.
All right, trying to round up the crew. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. Hey, we're kind of back out at the training room now. So look forward to the next videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave some nice comments down there if you so choose to do. And also, you know what? Ring the little bell so you get notifications new videos come out. And I think that's it. Until next time, we will catch you later. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching and all that. Yeah. that was supposed to be like a Peter McKinnon thing and I totally failed. He's got lots of practice. The funny thing about this whole video is I kind of lit the paper on fire and stuff, and yeah, it was cool, you know, sat there and watched it on the camera, and I'm like, why is the house so smoky? He's like, oh, because I never really opened the flue. Oh well, it's better now. Well, I didn't know it was closed. I just didn't even think about it. I was worried about shooting video. But then it got all smoky.